Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the background from your photo without using any type of software. So first of all, for that open the Chrome, search the website called remove.bg. Click on upload image. Now select the image which you have to remove the background. So our image is uploading. Now the website is doing its second stage, that's called removing background. So guys, isn't it wonderful? Without using any software, we have removed our background. And for downloading, just click on the download. So you see our download is done here. So guys, this is very easy way to remove the background from any type of image. So I hope you guys will like this video. Just press the bell icon and subscribe it.